First question. So first of all, let's see this box. It says in multiplying fractions, we have two steps. One is cancel anything if we can, and the second step is multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. So for this question, we have 2/3 times by 3/4. Let's go for the first step. Cancel each if you can. So you can see we've got 3 on the top and we've got 3 on the bottom. Therefore, we can cancel these 3. Leave us with 2 and 4. And then we multiply the tops. So this becomes 1. This becomes 1. After the cancel, they become 1. So this becomes 2 times 1. So top times top over bottom times bottom. 1 times 4. And then we'll simplify this fraction. 2/4, which is 2. So the answer is 1/2. The answer is C. Question 2. The surface area of a cube is 150 square centimeter. So we have a cube here. A cube. And we know the surface area of this cube is 150 square centimeter. We don't know the side length of this cube. Let's say the side length of this cube is x, and we can express the surface area of this cube, which is surface area is, so one side is x squared, the area of one side is x squared, and for each cube it's got six sides. Therefore, the surface area of a cube is 6x squared, and we know this is 150 square centimeter. And then we deal with this equation. We've got 6 here and we've got 150 here. We divided by 6 for both sides. Therefore, we have x squared equals to divided by 3, 50, and we can divide it by 2, 25. So x squared is 25, and let's express the volume in terms of x as well, as the side length is x. So the volume is x cubed, and we know x squared is 25. Therefore, x is 5. X cannot be -5 because we are talking about side length. So it has to be positive. Then we put the x equals to 5 into x cubed. We have 5 cubed. And what is 5 cubed? 5 cubed is 5 times by itself for 2 times. So 5 times times by 5 for 1 time, and the other time 2 times. So the answer is 125. Then the answer is A. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following expression equals to 96? There's no other easy way to do this question. We just need to make sure we are calculating fast. But sometimes when you can clearly see, like for A, we have 4, 9, 36, and 3 times 5, 15. So 6 plus 5 is 1. So your unit has to be 1, and we're gonna get 96. So there's no way for this. And 4 times 9, 36, plus 3, 39 times by 5. So your ones place has to be 5, which is not 6. Wrong. B. So brackets first, 12 times 5, which is 60. Wrong. It has to be D. Let's confirm. 3 times 5, 15, plus 9, which is 24 times 4, 96. Okay. Question 4 to 7. Year 7 took a survey of a vehicle which passed the school on a Monday morning. They recorded their findings in the graph below. Question 4. How many vehicles passed by during the survey? So it's asking for the total number of vehicles. So we're going to add this for up. So that's 30, 90, 60, 50. If you cannot see the number, you can put a dash line to find the corresponding number. So we're gonna add them together. So we have 30 plus 90, 120, 120 plus 60, 180, 180 plus 50, 230. So the answer is B. Question 5. What percent of the vehicles were motorbikes? So motorbikes got 30. So from the first question of this big question, we know the total number of vehicles is 230. So by fraction, the proportion motorbike has taken up is 30 over 230. 230 is the total number of vehicles, and 30 is the number of motorbikes. So we've got this fraction, and then we just need to times by 100 over 1 convert it to percentage. So we've got 10 for common factor divided by 10, and then times by 100. So that's motorbikes. So that's 300 over 23. And also answers to the nearest percent if necessary. So we're gonna have nearest percent. So 300 divided by 23, which is 300 divided by 23. 1, 2, 3. 1 times 23, and I have 70, and times by 3. Yeah, 69 and 10, which is 0 and 100. But that's enough. That's definitely A. So it's 13.0 something. Yeah, that's A. How many more cars were there than bicycles? So we know we've got 50 bicycles, and we've got cars, 90 cars. So we've got 40 more cars than bicycles. If this pattern roughly occurred every morning over the entire school week, what total number of vehicles would you expect to pass the school time at that time? Answer to the nearest 100. Okay. Over the entire school week, which means the sample size is big enough, so we can kind of say the percentage that so this sample is good enough. So we can say that's just one day. We have 230, and we can say on average every day it's got 230 vehicles passing by. So we just need to times by 7. 230 times by 7. That is 1610. 151. By 7. 230 times 7. 610. Okay, it says over the entire school week. School week's only got 5 days. So don't times by 7 times by 5. So 230 times 5, 15, 1150. And nearest 100, so that's 1200.